Okay guys, we have our experiment. Look. Okay, let's put.
Konti lang. Dapat yung magkakasya. Dapat hindi matapon.
Wow.
Okay na yan.
I will update.
Hindi ko nag-iba ng kulay.
I will update you guys. Okay. We'll mix it.
Okay guys, sayang nga po yun. Yogi. Max. Okay, marami pa po tayong haluin dyan.
Okay guys.
Alam mo ito yung sausawan na to.
That's suka. There's so many ants.
Sweet and spicy sauce, guys.
Wow.
Sweet and spicy sauce goes in. Woo!
Oh, there's ants. Ang baho. There's so many ants. Oh! Merong bubuyog. Ang baho, no?
Namihin.
We're shaking it.
Okay, guys. It turned into like vinegar substance like.
Okay. We will get more ingredients.
Okay, let's pause it.
Kuha tayo para makita lang kung saan tayo kumukuha.
Kuha tayo nito ng ano.
Ay, get some ingredients. Okay. This is the ingredients. Okay. Just putting it.
To make it look fresh, guys.
Yes.
Oo nga.
It's too hard.
It's too hard to fit in, bro.
Yes.
Kasi yan. Nagkasya yun.
Ay, yes.
Kuha tayo ng stick.
Okay.
Ganti mo ng finger mo.
Okay. We found a stick. Where's it?
Ikaw na mag-gigil. Okay.
Ako na lang, mga ano.
Ako na naman gaganto. Kasi ako
Huwag na.
na mag-gigil.
Ako na bibidyo. Okay. Wow.
Hindi ako kaya ka.
Kaya mo. Last one.
Okay na to.
Sige.
Tingnan mo naging ano. Gitak pa natin yun. Takpan na natin guys.
Okay. Bye.